Are we making these on the rocks?
We are doing a sports drink margarita, okay? So you're gonna simultaneously dehydrate and rehydrate. You will not be hungover from this cocktail.
So this is the version of if you eat vegetables, the dip doesn't have calories. If you're using a sports drink, you are hydrating while the alcohol dehydrates.
Exactly. So we've got 1 part of lemon lime sports drink, 1 part tequila, and 1 part fresh lime juice. And if you'll put a little bit of ice in there, I'm gonna shake it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Garnish these with a lime too. That'll look nice.
That looks a little light, Katie.
It does look a little light. Here.
Get some more tequila in there, will you?
Why not?
All right.
Okay, let's shake it up. The way this is going, maybe I'll spill this on myself.
This is what happens when we're together.
Yep.
This is just how we roll.